We hope you reseated because we about to take off on an epic journey through time and space. Sorry, no, not that kind of magic. This is the United Kingdom. Prepare to be amazed by the beauty of this enchanting island nation, where rolling hills meet the stormy sea and ancient ruins whisper tales of a bygone era. Get ready for a whirlwind tour like no other. Our scenic flight begins with a tranquil moment as we soar above the picturesque landscapes of the United Kingdom. Imagine the wind beneath your wings and the freedom to explore at your leisure. No traffic, no crowds, just you and the endless expanse of natural beauty. Welcome to Stonehenge, a prehistoric wonder that continues to baffle and amaze. Encased by perfectly aligned standing stones, this UNESCO World Heritage Site beckons travelers from around the globe to witness its timeless allure. Journey back in time to the Bronze Age as you explore the mysteries hidden within these ancient rings. Now let's venture into the heart of England and discover the majestic castles that dot the landscape. Picture yourself wandering through medieval halls, imagining knights in shining armor and the echoes of royal laughter. Whether it's the imposing grandeur of Windsor Castle or the whimsical charm of Warwick Castle, each fortress offers a unique glimpse into Britain's rich history. But our adventure doesn't stop at the mainland. Oh, no, we're off to the Isles of Scilly, a hidden gem nestled in the azure waters of the Atlantic Ocean. As you step onto these car-free islands, you'll feel like you've discovered a secret paradise. Explore quaint villages, relax on pristine beaches, and immerse yourself in the tranquility of unspoiled nature. As the sun begins its descent, we invite you to join us in raising a toast to this enchanting nation. Cheers to the United Kingdom, a place where history comes alive, nature unfolds its beauty, and every mile unveils another unforgettable memory. Your journey ends here, but our story has just begun. So pack your bags, open your hearts, and prepare for an adventure beyond compare. The United Kingdom awaits, promising a tapestry of moments that will resonate in your soul long after the final goodbye. Did you know that the United Kingdom is home to some of the most breathtaking coastal formations on Earth? Prepare to be astounded by the dramatic cliffs and arches that have been sculpted by the relentless power of the sea over millions of years. From the iconic Old Harry Rocks to the majestic Durdle Door, these geological wonders serve as both a testament to the Earth's raw power and a reminder of its ever-changing nature. Imagine standing before the towering Old Harry Rocks, feeling the spray of the sea on your face as you marvel at the chalk stacks that rise majestically from the English Channel. For something truly extraordinary, head to Lulworth Cove, where you can witness the mesmerizing dance between land and sea. As you wander along the coastal path, the vibrant blue waters below will shimmer and shine, inviting you to pause and soak in the beauty of this mesmerizing landscape. And when the tide goes out, the sandy shores reveal a treasure trove of seashells, creating a mosaic of colors and textures that delight both young and old. For those seeking tranquility, a stroll along the beach at sunset is an experience not to be missed. With the sky ablaze in hues of pink and orange, you can feel the stress of everyday life melting away as the soothing sound of the waves washes over you. But our coastal exploration doesn't end there. We invite you to embark on a journey to the mystical Isle of Skye, where rugged cliffs and hidden coves leave visitors breathless. As you traverse the dramatic landscapes, you'll feel a sense of awe and wonder, knowing that you're exploring a place that has remained relatively untouched by time. One of the most enchanting spots on the island is the Old Man of Storr, a towering rock formation that seems to reach for the heavens. According to legend, it was once the resting place of a giant, adding a touch of folklore to this already captivating landscape. So whether you seek adventure, relaxation, or a connection with nature, the coastal wonders of the United Kingdom promise an unforgettable experience that will leave you yearning for more. Have you ever dreamed of exploring the mystical waterfalls hidden amidst the lush greenery of Wales? Prepare to be enchanted by the Pistillroder waterfall, one of the most spectacular natural wonders in the country. Imagine standing before this thundering cascade as it plummets 240 feet, 73 meters into a crystal-clear pool below. The mist from the falls creates a magical atmosphere, making it feel as though you've stepped into a fairy tale. What makes this waterfall even more extraordinary is its location. Tucked away in a secluded valley surrounded by verdant hills, it offers a sense of serenity and tranquility that's hard to find in today's fast-paced world. If you're seeking a truly immersive experience, consider visiting during the spring when the surrounding woods burst into bloom, painting a vibrant backdrop to the thundering falls. As the water cascades over the moss-covered rocks, it creates a symphony of sound that resonates deep within your soul. Don't forget to take a moment to appreciate the intricate details, the play of light and shadow on the water's surface, and the lush vegetation that adorns the surrounding landscape. With its timeless beauty and tranquil surroundings, the Pistilrauder waterfall is a must-visit destination for anyone seeking a connection with nature and escape from the ordinary. Now let's venture further into the heart of Wales and uncover another hidden gem, the Swallow Falls, also known as the Fairy Glen. This picturesque spot boasts a series of cascading waterfalls that meander through a lush gorge. As you wander along the well-worn path, you'll feel a sense of childlike wonder wash over you. The gentle roar of the falls provides a soothing soundtrack to your exploration. No trip to Wales is complete without a visit to the majestic Snowdonia National Park. Here you'll find the mighty Mount Snowdon, the highest peak in Wales, standing proudly as a beacon for adventurers and nature enthusiasts alike. Whether you choose to trek to the summit or simply bask in the beauty of the surrounding peaks, you'll be captivated by the grandeur of this breathtaking landscape. Snowdonia is also home to a plethora of glistening lakes, each offering a serene reflection of the sky and surrounding mountains. Take a leisurely boat ride on Lake Padarn or rent a kayak to explore the shimmering waters at your own pace. And as the day draws to a close, don't miss the opportunity to witness the magical transformation of the landscape as the sun dips below the horizon. The sky erupts in a kaleidoscope of colors, painting the peaks in shades of pink and purple. So if you're in search of tranquility, adventure, or simply a chance to reconnect with nature, look no further than Wales.